So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment ABCs of supply chain week first graded assessment. Now the first question is, how does SCM differ from logistics? So these are the option. SCM focuses on the entire flow of goods and information, while logistics focuses primarily on physical movement. SCM is concerned with internal operations, while logistics focuses on external activities. SCM is primarily about cost reduction, while logistics is about customer service. SCM and logistics have no significant differences. So the answer of our first question is A. Now the second question is, how does sourcing differ from purchasing? So these are the options. Sourcing focuses on finding and selecting suppliers, while purchasing involves the actual transaction. Sourcing is a broader term that encompasses all activities related to acquiring goods and services. Purchasing focuses on long-term relationship with suppliers, with sourcing is focused on short-term transactions. There is no significant difference between sourcing and purchasing. So the answer of our second question is A. Now, the third question is, how does the cycle view help in managing supply chains? So these are the options. By identifying and improving the efficiency of each cycle within the supply chain, by focusing solely on customer satisfaction, by eliminating the need for inventory in management, by increasing production lead times. So the answer of our third question is also A. Now, the fourth question is, in the cycle view of SCM, which of the following is not considered a cycle? So these are the option: customers order cycle, supplier order cycle, manufacturing cycle, marketing cycle. So the answer of our fourth question is marketing cycle. Now the fifth question is, in a push-pull system, when does the pull typically occur? So these are the option: at the beginning of the supply chain, at the end of the supply chain, closer to the customer, in the middle of the supply chain, during manufacturing, through the entire supply chain. So the answer of our fifth question is B. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.